being on time for today's interview session. Let me introduce myself. My name is Risa Mila, and I'm part of the human research team at PT Bank Aman Pastinya. Today, we'll be conducting an interview for the position of administrative staff. Please feel free to relax, but let's also maintain a formal atmosphere. Throughout our conversation, to begin, I'd like to ask you to briefly introduce yourself and share a little about your educational background, as well as your interest in the professional world. Good morning. Thank you for your opportunity. My name is Risa Meila. I graduated with a bachelor degree in management from Widyatama University. During my studies, I developed a strong interest in areas related to administration and data management. I feel comfortable working with system and document, and I enjoy working in an organized and structured environment. Thank you for your introduction and explanation. Now, I'd like to explore further what is the main reason that encouraged you to apply for a position at PT Bank Aman Pastinya. What aspect of your company appeal to you the most? I see PT Bank Aman Pastinya as a company with a good reputation and professional work system. I'm interested because the company culture I've read about seem to strongly support employee growth, which is important to me as I'm looking to build my career from the ground up. I feel the administrative staff position here aligns well with my interests and skill. Alright, that's an interesting response. Now, in your personal opinion, what would you say is your most outstanding strength, especially one that would be highly relevant and supportive for this role as an administrative staff? I'm detail-oriented, disciplined, and able to work with net system. I also learn quickly, especially when given new tasks. Additionally, I'm used to using computers and office applications like Microsoft Excel and Google Workspace, which I believe are essential in administrative work. That's great to hear. These are definitely qualities we value in an administrative role. Of course, everyone has areas where they're still growing. From your own perspective, what is one of your weakness or areas for improvement that you're currently working on? To be honest, I sometimes get too focused on detail when working on new tasks. I tend to want everything to be very neat and follow procedures exactly, but that can take more time than necessary. Right now, I'm learning to balance precision and efficiency so that the work can be completed on time without compromising quality. I truly appreciate your honesty in sharing that. Moving forward, I'd like to know whether you have any previous experience, whether through internship or employment, that are relevant to this role. or that have helped your build related skill. I did a 2-month internship at a financial service office. My tasks included inputting transaction data, organizing referred documents, and checking archive completeness. That experience helped me understand the importance of neatness and speed in daily administrative tasks. That sounds like a valuable experience and certainly a positive addition to your profile. Next, if I may ask, how do you envision yourself in the next 5 years? What are your long-term career goals? In the next 5 years, I hope to grow in the administrative field and take on greater responsibilities, such as becoming an administrative coordinator or a similar role. I want to keep learning, improve my skills, and make a meaningful contribution to the company I work for. Thank you for providing a clear answer. Now, as part of this interview process, we'd also like to understand your expectation regarding conversation. Could you kindly share the salary range you're hoping for in this administrative staff role? I'm willing to adjust to the company's standard, but my expectation is around IDR 5 million per month. However, I'm open to discussion and will follow the company's policies. Alright, thank you for all the insight and response you've shared with us during this interview. We will carefully review and consider everything you've presented. The result of the selection process will be communicated to you via email in the near future. We wish you the best of luck in the next stage. Thank you very much for your time and the opportunity. I look forward to hearing from you.